more interested in telling you the causes of spontaneous subluxation. I hope you understand what is the term spontaneous. Spontaneous means there is no trauma. Lens is spontaneously going somewhere. Okay, so what are the causes? Let us first understand why the lens is spontaneously dislocated. Can I say there is some problem in the zonules? Obviously, somewhere the zonules are weak. That's why there is a spontaneous subluxation. So, this can be very easily learned with a mnemonic. That's a Hindi mnemonic, guys. If you can manage with that, below poverty line may hum subluxate हुए. So this is related to subluxation, that I have gone so poor below poverty line and I subluxated. So if you can remember this much, good enough. If you can't, you have to remember at least this. So you will say, ma'am, you are marking the entire thing. Yes, I am. Okay. So every word is a question here. Ophthalmos, we will read in congenital glaucoma why and how. Pseudo exfoliation is a question itself. Marfan syndrome and Marchansoni, very, very important syndrome. So is Ehlers-Danlos and homocystinuria. Because all three of them, these three are disorders where you have problems in the collagen. And problems in the collagen will lead to the problems in the zonules. So there can be spontaneous subluxation. So you have to understand the topic and then you can answer it very easily. So HMSC, which type of HMSC? We have read earlier the sclerotic type of HMSC, you can have subluxation without trauma, isn't it? So these are very, very important causes. Now, some more important causes, some more important questions. So subluxation, as I told you, is seen in Marfan syndrome. Characteristically, we have a superotemporal subluxation. Very easy mnemonic. Fan कहाँ होता है? Where is the fan? ऊपर है ना, fan ऊपर. So this is how your lens subluxates, superotemporal. Now can I say the zonules are weak here? So you can you can be asked the question in a twisted form. Most common location of zonular weakness in Marfan's. So don't answer it as superotemporal. The zonules will be weakened on the opposite quadrant, isn't it? Now this doesn't mean that always it is superotemporal. You can have any type of subluxation, but superotemporal is the most common subluxation. So every word is a question again. Now friends, nobody asks you where do you see superotemporal subluxation. Answer is Marfan's. They'll give you a case-based scenario. What is the case? A young man coming to you with a heart defects, Marfan's may have regurgitations, aortic, mitral, patient is having long stature and there's a mutation in fibrin gene. So you can have a case-based scenario and suddenly there is a problem in the vision.